Welcome to LearningHubX English. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the 4 types of sentences. Before we learn how to write strong and clear sentences, we need to understand how sentences are built. Every sentence has a subject and a verb. Once you understand this, sentence types become much easier to learn. In this lesson, you're going to learn the 4 main types of sentences used in English writing. First, let's quickly review what a subject is. The subject is who or what the sentence is about. To find the subject, ask yourself, who or what is doing the action? Look at this sentence. The dog barked loudly. Ask yourself, who barked? The answer is the dog. That means the dog is the subject. Barked is the verb. Now that we understand this, let's look at how sentences are structured. There are 4 types of sentences based on how clauses are joined. They are simple sentences, compound sentences, complex sentences, compound complex sentences. Let's look at them one by one. A simple sentence has one independent clause. That means it has one subject, one verb, and it can stand on its own. For example, I enjoy reading. I is the subject. Enjoy is the verb. Even if a sentence is long, it is still a simple sentence if it has only one clause. For example, the excited student with a heavy backpack ran to school. This sentence looks long, but it is still a simple sentence. Student is the subject, and ran is the verb. A compound sentence has 2 independent clauses. These clauses are joined using a coordinating conjunction. We remember them using the word fanboys, for and nor but or yet so. For example, I wanted to study, but I was tired. Both parts can stand alone as full sentences. That's how you know it's a compound sentence. A complex sentence has 1 independent clause and at least 1 dependent clause. A dependent clause cannot stand alone. It often begins with words like because, although, when, while, if, since. For example, when it rains, I'd like to stay home. When it rains is a dependent clause. It depends on the second part, I like to stay home, to make sense. A compound complex sentence is the most advanced sentence type. A compound complex sentence has at least 2 independent clauses and at least 1 dependent clause. For example, although I was tired, I finished my homework and I went to bed early. Although I was tired is the dependent clause. I finished my homework is an independent clause. I went to bed early is another independent clause. This sentence combines compound and complex structures. To recap, simple sentence equals 1 independent clause. Compound sentence equals 2 independent clauses. Complex sentence equals 1 independent clause plus 1 dependent clause. Compound complex sentence equals 2 independent clauses plus 1 dependent clause. Many students think long sentences are complex. That is not true. Sentence type is based on clauses, not length. Using sentence variety correctly will improve your writing marks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future lessons. I'll see you in the next lesson.